In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to use Soundpad on Roblox. It's a very quick and easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to play sounds over your mic in Roblox. The best way to do it is by using Voice Mod. It is a tool that is available on the website www.voicemod.net. When you arrive at that page, you will find the option to download the tool immediately on the home screen. And after you download Voice Mod for your computer and install it, it is going to get detected and you will find the options to set it up and start playing sounds over your microphone when you are inside of the Roblox voice chat. First, after you are done installing the tools, I recommend that you go into the settings and on the input and output devices, you double check to see if they are all set up properly. Choose your microphone for your input device and for the output, choose your speakers or headphones. As long as you have them set up here as the default devices or you set them up manually, everything will be good to go. You also have the option to hear yourself or enable a voice changer if you want. After you are done setting up the input and output devices, you can go to the soundboard or voice box, and in there you can start managing all the files that you have to play sounds over your microphone in Roblox. To use the soundpad in Roblox, go ahead, tap the plus sign at the bottom and add new sounds to the list. Once you have all the sounds that you want to play over your microphone, click Add Keybind under any of them, and you will be able to set up a keybind for when you want to play them over your microphone inside of Roblox. So for example, if you want to play the bye-bye sound that you can see, the third one on the list, set up a keybind, for example, O. Now, inside of Roblox, go into the settings and choose the input device. You want to select the Voice Mod microphone, and every time you press O with Voice Mod open, that specific sound is going to get played. I hope I was able to help you on how to use Soundpad on Roblox. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.